My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Army Signal. This is the ransomware that is able to essentially damage the files that people store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Well, sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Very soon, users realize that something bad has taken place with their files. The ransomware reveals this ransom note. Some words are in English, some are in Chinese, I guess. The ransomware also appends this SIGSCH extension to the file names, and it's not possible to use the files anymore. So whenever people try to open the specific file, they get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with this SIGSCH extension. The same actually applies to all other files. However, despite this scary situation and this troubling situation, you should not pay the ransom, because there is no guarantee that if you pay the ransom that your data would be restored. So don't pay the ransom. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then start carefully researching your computer. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. The program will start updating its anti-malware database, so do not skip this important step. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner Antivirus begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware. It helps to protect the data from further ransomware attacks with this anti-ransomware feature, but file decryption is not possible for Combo Cleaner or for any other antivirus whatsoever. Nevertheless, Combo Cleaner will help you to fully detect this ransomware and to protect your files from further ransomware attacks. Now, the scanning itself depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed. You will be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to Premium, which will help you to fully remove this ransomware and other malware and to get your data protected.